Okay, that's the mixture for the Pirozhki, and basically what you've got in there is the mince, chopped carrots, well, grated carrots actually, grated carrots, cabbage, onion, there's garlic in there, there's dried dill. You can use fresh dill, doesn't really matter, but I've used dried. There's a little bit of mustard in there, salt and pepper, and that is the mixture. And what I do with this, once I've done the meat, I push the meat to the one side using a spatula and I drain off the excess fat to make it a little bit more healthy. But that already smells absolutely gorgeous. The dough is rising upstairs in the airing cupboard, and that'll be the next day. Let's make one of these Pirozhki. So get yourself a bit of dough. I was going to say flour then. Bit of dough. Like so. Just roll it out. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle. It's all going to come together anyway. There you go. That's good enough. And get your mixture, which smells absolutely gorgeous. Like so. And then what we do, bring it all together, pinch it, and as you pinch it, sort of fold it into the middle. Very similar technique to if you're going to make jianbao, which is like a Chinese dumpling. So you kind of get a spiral in the middle, like that. A bit like a mushroom. And then just fold that in. And there you have it. And what you do is just get an egg wash over there, pop them in the oven. About 190. These will probably take about 45 minutes. And there you have Pirozhki. Okay, here we go. So there they are, Pirozhki. Before I pop them in the oven, got some egg wash here, which is basically just egg, one egg, and a little bit of water. And yep, give it that nice glaze over the buns. And the last one. It's very therapeutic, this is, you know. Okay. Cool. And they can now go in the oven. And now they're ready to come out of the oven. So let's take a look. Oh yes. Another one. Wow. They look so good. But I'm not done just yet, because I'm going to just lightly glaze them with a little bit of melted butter. So let's do that. And the last one. So let's cut one. Russian Pirozhki. Nice and soft. Look at that. Oh wow. Check those out. Lovely.